How y'all doing?
Miss me? Hey? Life grabbed me by the neck. Tight. But not even in like a good way. Y'all, it broke me. But I'm back. Fuck it up. Hey! Happy?
Yes.
Gang. Yay! I'm back with fall frolicking, Friendsgiving. Happy Friendsgiving!
Gooey. Gooey.
Pottery attempts. Mild sickness with maximum dramatics.
Yo, I even look sick.
And lots of yapping. The Yap Olympics is back.
And just shoplifted a bunch of shit and like running out the store, and the people are like chasing her, and I was like, oh child. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. I'm trying to show you guys my collarbone. Man, oh man, IRL, it's like really bad. Bloody Mary 3 times in the mirror. Turn around, fucking shows up and like punches me in the ass. Like, yo.
If this is your first impression of me, welcome. If you've been here, I am honestly deadass so sorry for ghosting all baddies. Lashings, come, bring them. Hey, hey, hey. Just look. I know, fake as fuck, but deadass, so sorry. But baddies, I love y'all. Let's roll the mess. Right?
Here's the outfit of the day. I feel like it's giving Mama Smurf. Juicy. Oh, my belly dancing. I've been practicing lately.
Skinny bitch come through. Twist bitch come through.
Baddies, the theme of the day is frolicking. So that means we're literally just doing whatever the hell we want just because, but then also being productive. So first step of being productive is going to UPS to drop off these packages. But then I'm like, let me go do my nails. And maybe we'll get a pumpkin spice drink. It is October now. And the song of the walk is Kissing You by Miranda Cosgrove. Package drop-offs successful, and now I'm just like, the wind is blowing, the vibes are iconic, so I feel like I'm just gonna pick the first nail salon I find, and then we'll cross our fingers and toes because I'm only taking off like the shellac. Wow, I'm being so productive. I just finished at the nail salon. They were cute, they were nice. She even like put a clear gloss like top coat on it, and it has never happened before. Like usually just like use the machine, file all the way down until my nails are freaking raw, and then be like, bye. But this time around she was like, she like did like the first top layer and then put like some juice on it to like help it remove, and then she wiped it off and then like filed a little bit for like the hard spots. Y'all, apologies for the intermission. And then after, she took it off, and then she put some cuticle oil after the base clear coat thingy. I was like, wow, this is very luxe experience. And then she was like, only $10. I was like, wow, like that's giving a steal. So then I was like, So we're off to a good start, but low key, like as you can see, the sun is shining, but it was cold as hell when I left. And now I'm like, Mama Smurf, might have to go home, change her outfit, and then become sexy Smurf and put on a cute little tennis skirt, show some legs. We'll see, but like that might take more effort than I would like. Also, this new pet peeve I have is walkers. I've seen like those rating New York walkers videos, and I've seen a couple Toronto ones. Man, oh man, IRL, it's like really bad. Because like right now, there's like 3 people looped arms, like they're going a merry-go-round, walking, taking up the whole sidewalk. And I'm like, well, this big body Benz needs some space to walk on the sidewalk. And now we have drivers trying to run you off the road. That will never stop me. But because it's so hot, I might have to get my cute little drinky doodah. Maybe like a matcha, pumpkin spice. I don't know. Guys, I fibbed. So I walked around multiple places and I was like, fuck, like why are all the coffee shops busy? But then I was like, start thinking about it. Do I want to hold the drinkity doodah during the frolic because I have Miss Granny Cart with me? And then imagine the drink, I get a cold drink. Ooh, we're gonna jaywalk.
Police! Help!
Go. So I was like, imagine the condensation of a cold drink dripping on my hands while I'm already walking real hard, walking real fast. I was like, ooh, I fear that would ruin the vibes. So we'll see. I think maybe if I didn't have to hold so many different things, but we'll see. I'm approaching another one. Let's see what it's giving. Guys, honestly, the best part of walking, like frolicking, isn't... Okay, do you hear that wind? If so, no sexy tennis skirt for me. No. Danger. Back to my original thought. The best part about frolicking is the people watching and seeing like different mannerisms and all that. Revolving door. What, did they get heavier or if it's just me? Y'all, I just made it to Dollarama, and as soon as I walk in, drama. Like, it was this lady, she had a massive box. Think of like a box and then double it, and just shoplifted a bunch of shit and like running out the store, and the people are like chasing her, and I was like, oh child. I was like, what is going on? It was a lot. So this year I'm throwing my very first Friendsgiving. So I'm looking for decorations, but then I also want to give them like a, not like a boom, like a basket, because it's not like Halloween, it's like Thanksgiving. So like I'm thankful for you basket to all the girls that are coming. So we're gonna pick that out together. The options are kind of slim though. Like it's very slim. There's not a lot of options. So it's giving get creative, but like, you know what? I can put a vision together, like, easily. Update, we're still in here. I don't know how much time has passed, but I'm trying to get my brain jogging, figuring out what vibes I'm trying to go for. I'm on Pinterest, this and third, but unfortunately the Dollarama is not giving any of the inspo. Like, it's just giving womp 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 womp. Oh yeah. So we'll see. Made it home, but as you can see, wet, sweating, hot, and tired. The frolicking has been put on pause. I will be going back out after I put on my hot gal skirt. Made it back home. Look at all the stuff. Wow. Right? I'll give you guys a proper haul, but I was like, hey, well, I have to go back to the grocery store. I was like, you know what? I don't really want to go to the grocery store right now. I'm tired, I'm hot, and I'm hungry. So I was like, I looked at Chip. He looked at me. And then I was like, do you want to go barbecue some sausages? He said, so we're going to do that first. We're going to barbecue some sausages, and then I'm going to go to the grocery store. So before we go to barbecue, I am chopping up some onions and tomatoes, and I'm gonna cook it, like, you know, caramelize adjacent it so that I can put it on the sausage. Chip is just getting some butter. Guys, we came upstairs to barbecue, but like, where is the barbecue? It's gone.
And they literally just fixed it a week ago.
No.
I'm hearing.
Good news, we found the other barbecue, but I don't think it's working.
We'll test it out. What? See what?
Aw, boo. Tomatoes. At least the view is nice. Update, Chip got this drink that he wanted us to try. Which one is it, babes?
It's Mountain Dew Voodoo.
It's like a mystery flavor.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. Citrusy, but like cascade. But unfortunately, our barbecue saga failed. We found one other barbecue, but then the gas wasn't connected, and nobody felt like figuring that shit out today. But we just pan fried the hot sauce. They're hot Italian sausages, but with onions, mayo, barbecue sauce, mustard. It's not gonna be the same, which is so disappointing.
Looks yummy.
But yeah, go team. Go team. Go team.
Let's get it.
Go team. It was so exhausting. We are celebrating with cake. My mom's birthday cake. It's mango mousse.
Mousse?
Yeah, or something like that. I don't know. I don't really like cake like that. But it's a little sour, so I feel like Mr. Sour Pants, this warhead, would love it.
Very funny.
Thoughts?
It's pretty good.
Low key, the high key. High key. Highest key.
Low key.
The sausage Loki gave us a food coma. And we've been laying here every 30 minutes asking, should we go now? Should we go now? Should we go now? Because we were going to go to the freaking grocery store to buy some stuff. And I was going to get some final stuff for Friendsgiving.
Snacks.
But we've decided it's not meant to be, and we won't be going today. We'll try again tomorrow.
I gotta go today anyway to pick up Pottery.
You have to go somewhere today?
Yeah.
Oh, to pick up my birthday pottery. That's kind of far. Okay, I come with you. We can get pizza. There's a pizza place nearby that we like.
Yeah. Do you want to eat in or take out?
Do you want leftovers or not?
Decisions.
Okay, let's go discuss. Pizza. so. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Got donuts today.
Mucho gracias.
Baby's working late.
I know. Holy guacamole.
Smells good.
This one delicious. This one delicious. Is this just Biscoff?
That one, I think it's like pumpkin cake.
Oh my god. And this has pistachios. I'm a whore.
Yeah.
Banana pudding. What's this one? Pistachio again?
I actually don't remember, but it sounded good. Two of them are pumpkin flavors. So
Okay, I think they're both
this
pumpkin.
one.
Take mine this one.
What's that one then?
I think this is just like Biscoff.
Okay, you're right. Yeah, you're right about that. You got it right.
Which one should I try first? I feel like we should try a new one, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this one is like oozing,
You want
trying
that
to
one?
get. Yeah. Hey. I know, look at the shoulder, guys. Hold on. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. I'm trying to show you guys my collarbone. I can feel it though. And then my shoulder. But anyways, last night I started to feel.
Lick.
Oh, did you like?
Yeah,
Thoughts?
that's good.
It is you like.
Reminds me of coffee.
Okay, so I have some sugar dust. So that one, I checked their Instagram. It was a pumpkin spice one with caramel, pistachio, pumpkin spice filling. Oh my god, the words. But so I started to feel really sick yesterday, and then this morning, oh my god, Bloody Mary came today. Annoying, but I'll never be mad that she came. But like annoying. And I kid you not, I always tell God, I am not your strongest soldier. That is not me. But so why are you putting me, my body, on the front lines of this war? Like, I feel like I'm dodging actually, I'm not dodging them. The grenades, the trenches, everything is attacking me this morning. I have never felt so bad before due to my period in my entire life. I was like, what's in the air? I was like, this feels like a punishment for not having a baby. Like, I was like, oh, that's what we're doing now. So I was like bedridden, and I was like one of those where like my entire like front back was so sore that it was painful to sit up. I had to lay down there like this. I really thought Chip was gonna have to put my face on a t-shirt. I literally had to send Christina a voice note. I said, girl, this is gonna be the last time you hear from me again. But yay, and then now Chip brought me my favorite freaking donuts ever as a surprise. You guys will understand the lore of this donut when I upload like my summer vlog, because I really was craving donuts, and I kept seeing on my TikTok banana pudding donuts, and I was like, bro, I need to get my paws on that shit. But it was like, should I be getting donuts, because you know this whole journey, blah 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 blah. And I was like, you know what, like I want these fucking donuts. We're gonna walk and get these donuts. So we went on an excursion and walked 2.5 and some change hours to get these donuts. I was like, I'm gonna get these donuts, and yeah, I can still hula hoop with a Cheerio. My waist is still so fucking small, bitch. But that was a fun ass day. That vlog I feel like would be so good, because like the main mission was the donuts. But on this mission, we stopped and we tried Bodioli pizza, which is now our favorite pizza that we just got for our anniversary. And then we stopped and got this like frozen coffee slushy. It was a phenomenal day. And then we got those donuts. Wow. Their creme brulee ube donut. Wow. Anyways, now I'm working. I'm fighting through it. But I'm gonna start this new show called Mistress. I love a fucking drama like that, bitch. Like, I love a scandal and a like shit like that. I live for. Like, it's so tea. and I was watching the show called Devious Maids. Watch that. Like, if you like a Desperate Housewives or you like a Scandal, Devious Maids on Disney Plus, game changer. So good, so telenovela coded. Like, it was drama down. Oh, a good comparison is like Jane the Virgin, but like, yeah, Jane the Virgin, good. I would say even better, a little bit more adulty-er version of. So I'm gonna watch Mistress and see what happens. But the first 2 minutes of the show, they are humping and bumping, guys. I was like, what is this? I was like, it's too early in the morning. So it's now noon. So I was like, okay, let's see. I'll watch it and see what happens. And hopefully it's good. Yeah, that's the random update. And yeah. Wish me luck. I hope I feel better soon. I've been drinking a lot of Chinese date tea, and that's the only thing that's ever helped me with my periods, because I thought I figured out this period hack, and I've just been smooth sailing, and then Bloody Mary 3 times in the mirror, turn around, fucking shows up and like punches me in the ass. Like, but Chinese date tea helps. I feel like Chinese date tea is the tea. Let me shut up. En route to a last minute Friendsgiving grocery shopping. I'm doing a big sweater, athletic skirt, and my Adidas. Chicken deals.
I gotta do those.
We're matching.
Oh yeah.
Gotta pick up some white wine. We have some red wine, but variety, so the girls can pick. It's pretty good. We're trying to get some fruits from Melly Baby so that she can eat whatever she would like at Thanksgiving. Because there's only certain things she can eat right now, and apples, grapes, oranges, cantaloupes, pineapples are one of those few things, so we're gonna buy a bunch.
It's giving fruit salad.
Mom is feeling a little sick, girl. Terrible timing.
Me too.
Period down. Now sick down.
Down with the sick.
Now I'm gonna be down in the ground.
Hopefully not the ground.
In a casket.
Definitely not.
Yo, I even look sick. No. I had a conversation with God yesterday, and I told him I'm not your strongest soldier. Please take me off the front lines. And he said, you know what, bitch, you are. I'm gonna put it to the test. And said, boom, let me try to make you sick. I have to make a fast 24-hour recovery. But the perk is me and Chip might get ramen today.
Percocets, Molly Percocets.
Hey,
Percocets, Molly Percocets.
Molly water. What song says it?
Chief Keef.
It's you, Molly water.
It's a song somewhere.
It's somewhere.
Probably Hate Being Sober.
Huh? I hate being sober. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Come on, Slim. Shady.
Molly water.
Yeah. Pop to Molly. I was like, Instagram straight flexing. Yeah, gang it. We're trying to figure out. Oh, I hit you with the flippy. Let's do it again. Hey!
It's making me dizzy.
Hey! Fun fact, Chip has vitiligo.
Oh my god. Oh, I actually did get vertigo in the store.
No, vertigo. Oh, you got it at the grocery store?
Yeah.
Why? What happened?
Too many things moving around, you know?
Oh, Chippy.
Uh,
Were you okay?
yeah, I made it.
Okay. No problem. Hey! He's alive. Hey! We just took, honestly, peak worst Buckley's in the universe of Buckley's of all medicine. It was so ass is grass. What was it? A snake in the grass with a bullet up its ass. Stick it. And then some oil oregano. Oh my god, it was thick too. It was so
The Buckley's was so better, and the oregano made it worse.
I feel like it made it better. It was like a chase, girl.
Cool.
I'm definitely forcing the bitch. Like, it was definitely ass, but
I feel the bugs in her throat will not like this. They'll go away.
I've been taking vitamin C, lip gloss,
And zinc.
and water.
Yeah, gotta hydrate, guys.
Wish us luck. Holy hell, we're gonna go to bed early on Friday. It's Friday. We're going to bed early.
Good night.
Au revoir. See you at Friendsgiving. Ew! Hey, the squad is coming over. Remember when kids used to go like this on the street to honk the horn? Hey, it's Friendsgiving Day. All morning we have been fish chipping nails, doing the final touches, throwing out the trash. All day we've been like cleaning and stuff like that and like disinfecting everything. Because as you know, your girl was feeling under the weather. But right now, I'm waiting for Sabby Cakes because Sabby Cakes is coming early. But I was cutting out their little name tags. I did put them on like a chicken. How cute. And then I'm gonna, how funny. And then we used like this website called Partyful, and it's like super convenient. I definitely recommend it if you're ever hosting an event. And then I printed out some icebreaker things, so like everybody can pick an icebreaker when we're like at the table eating. Like, if your life had a warning label, what would it say? Type of shit like that. Or which ex or situationship would you redate for one night only but tell nobody? You know, T. And then also, I decided to make all the girls a little note, like just a little message of how thankful I am for each and every one of them. Also, you know, one of my besties, DJ Family Fam, Christina, she lives all the way in Vancouver. You probably met her in a vlog maybe almost a year ago. I wrote one for her as well and sent it to her via iMessage because, like, I don't know, Friendsgiving doesn't feel fully complete without my grade 10 bestie, but yeah, keep you posted. The house is gonna look so different because we have decorations and everything. Ooh, but yay to feeling better. We got a great like 4 pounds of cheese,
So much cheese.
like, and a crazy amount of cheese.
Is there an easier way to do this?
Probably if we buy an attachment
Like that?
and then like put it on here. Progress has been made. I glued her name tags on some construction paper so it gives elegante. And then now I am taking over grating the cheese because Chip went downstairs to go get some bubble tea because Sabby Cakes was like, ooh, bubble tea. And I was like, say less, girl. Bubble tea is on its way. So that like when she gets here and after like we lug all the stuff from her car because she's bringing the table and stuff, she has a refreshing drink waiting. Hello. That's motivation. But I don't know. Bro, I do not see myself manually grating cheese again in my entire life. No. This is we in the ghetto. This is so annoying. I feel like maybe 1-2 pounds, but 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enough.
A breakfast sandwich, I do not get bacon. The only bacon I get on. Girl, you taught me how to make cornbread.
Oh, how was it? Happy Friendsgiving! Sorry.
Showing Jaden Moxie the flash code. And there was
Yeah, you go ahead.
There was enough food.
I know. Ooey, gooey.
Oh, okay. I want to talk about conversation.
Oh, my girlies just left. I feel like Friendsgiving was a 5 billion out of 10. Like, so much fun. So wholesome, so sweet, like... Wow, it was so much fun. So wholesome. Everybody had a good time. Everybody got along. It was the first time I, like, mixed my squad. And it was nice to have, like, different eras of me. Like, friends from different eras of me. All together, it was so much fun. Hey. I'm currently getting ready because me and Chip and Dales are going to do pottery today. So, rewind. For my birthday, Chip took me to do pottery. 1 year ago, we did like the pottery on the wheel thing in that one vlog, if you remember. But I don't like wheel pottery. Not for me. So like he found this other one where it's like more sculpture pottery. Live, girl. Live. She's kind of very, very iconic. But we're supposed to pick it up. Like we're talking about it and we're like, no, like we should glaze it and paint it before we pick it up. So we're gonna go do that today. Because I need a little bit more, fill our cups. A little more fun, excitement, you know? Because I had a lot of fun building it. So I know for a fact your girl's gonna have so much fun painting it and then glazing it. And then I even went on Pinterest for inspo, so yeah. The outfit is like super basic because it's like Jimmy Timber's cool today. So I'm wearing, we're doing sweater, tights, and my faux stocks, my faux Birkenstocks, and a jacket. Cozy. And then we're gonna get pizza because remember we mentioned that there's a pizza place that we like there. So we're gonna get pizza after. Chippendales has his Oasis merch on. Ooh.
Hey.
You guys, I can't wait for you guys to see that footage from the concert vlog. It's probably gonna be the birthday vlog.
It's epic.
But that was so much fun.
Yeah.
But let me see the other side. Has all the cities.
Oh yeah.
Hey! Hey!
These are all the cities we've been to.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. Are you excited for pottery?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I don't know what design I'll do. I think I'll get inspo from like the other pieces.
Yeah, there's a lot of people there like so talented.
They are talented, yeah, like actually.
And that's a caricature from when we went to the fair. Also super excited for that vlog.
A lot of vlogs.
I know. Chip was like a lot of vlogs coming up. Yeah, I know. I keep talking about them. But I'm so excited for you guys to see because, hey, like even though we took a break, was it like fully a break? No, because like I was filming everything because at the end of the day, like no matter what was going on in here, I was always still tied to filming and sharing these experiences with you. So
And we were like doing so much during the summer. Like it was like actually a lot.
yeah,
Like a lot of activities.
we really like
Went out. We're going out.
I know. So I'm excited to show you guys all that tea. Oh, my bad. Yeah, rolling, 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 rolling.
You have your keys?
In my bag.
Okay.
We're on the roll. Rolling, 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 rolling. We made it, but we gotta go up a billion stairs.
How excited are you?
Yeah.
We were at this random roof. Well, not random. The Pottery rooftop, but we gotta sand it.
Yeah.
It's like dusty. No, it's sick. I love it. Tell me. To be honest, ask me what I made. I could say
It's a boat.
it's something.
It's a decorated boat.
She said we have unlimited clay, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna just need a bigger thing to make.
Did you check the bottom that there is no place there? Because if it runs, it's going to get stuck immediately. Okay. But you could just do it like a...
Pottery. Now en route for pizza. That's where we were. But now we're en route. Still sick down, girl. To get pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. Get a pizza.
Stairs.
I know it.
I feel like everyone's so creative. What did you make? Like a house?
We made it to pizza.
Alright.
Pizza. Zooey.
Really, mama.
Zooey Mama, North Brooklyn. It smells really good. We end up getting the truffle shuffle, the killer bee, and a creamy garlic dip.
Oh boy. Can't wait.
Yo. This is killer bee. This is truffle. Shuffle. Every day I'm shuffling. Let's do a taste test.
Yo.
Hold on, let me make it. There you go. Ooh. That's good. I'm shuffling. Your turn.
Bro, it's busting.
Bussin'?
It's hot.
It is hot. I'm not like a spice boss like Chip. The hot honey. Oh, fuck.
This is great.
Bussin'. Which one is that better? They're different.
They're different. Like it's so close to Body Ollie.
I had a
Pepper.
how can you like Chip knew I needed a chaser.
Mm-hmm.
And that was the truffle shuffle. But Pottery today was actually sickness. Like, oh, so it was like a group there, and it was all girly pops and Chippendales. They were so nice. Oh, we met a girl from New Zealand.
Wow.
She was like
Shout out.
I don't know how it came up, but she was saying something to me. I was like, girl, I love your accent. And she's like, I'm from New Zealand. I said, lie again. And then at the same time, me and Chip said, it's a long flight. She was cool. There was this other girl that goes every week to Pottery, and I was like, I want to be you so bad. Like it's
And she was
nice.
making like this tree mug, like it looked like a tree bark mug.
I was like,
Crazy.
girl, like talent down.
Yeah.
And this other girl, she was like super sweet, super soft spoken. She made like a Frozen plate, like the movie Frozen.
Oh yeah.
Because I didn't realize until it was like all blue, and then it said let it, what's it called?
Snow?
Let it snow.
Was it?
It was some Frozen lyric, and I don't remember. But it was good. Now we're gonna have pizza.
Daddies, I love y'all endlessly, and in this new era that we're entering, we're hoping to find balance, but as you know, hey, we're winging it every step of the way. So thank you for still being here. I love you endlessly. And again, sorry for being fake as fuck and leaving y'all hanging. Like, who am I? A man? Like, but your girl had a lot to figure out, and still figuring out. So, and I'm so excited to catch you guys up on everything that I've been up to, because yeah, girl was in the trenches, but I never stopped filming, because that means we're locked in, we're tied. Like, I still, even though the demons were speaking to me, I still picked up the phone, I still picked up the camera and was filming, because I was like, you know what, temporary, and I still felt so connected to y'all that I was like, I have to share these moments with you guys. So we got my birthday vlog, we have my summer vlog, and then we also have our anniversary vlog. Hey, me and Chippy's 6 years anniversary just passed. Oh, and I'm 26 now. Hey. But yeah, so many things to catch up you on. Again, lashes, give them. I am so sorry, but I love y'all. Gang, gang.